One more? Fantastic! Let's get straight into our revision of microwaves. Nestled between radio waves and infrared, we find microwaves. Shorter wavelength than radio waves, lower frequency than infrared. Microwaves are used to cook food. The microwave oven was invented by Percy Spencer after he noticed that waves from a radar he was working on had melted a bar of chocolate in his pocket. Microwaves are absorbed by water and fatty molecules in food, so it causes them to heat up. Microwaves of a certain frequency are used for this job. These higher frequency microwaves could be absorbed by the water in the cells of your body, causing internal heating of the body tissues and damaging or even killing the cells, which would make exposure to them dangerous. Microwave ovens have metal cases and screens across their glass doors, which reflect and absorb the microwaves to stop them getting to you. Longer wavelength microwaves are used in communications. It's how your mobile phone works. Communication to and from satellites using microwaves. For satellite TV, the signal is sent from a transmitter into space, picked up by a satellite receiver dish, and then transmitted back to a different place on Earth where it's received by another satellite dish. Current evidence tells us that in normal use, mobile phone signals are not a health risk because they're at this lower frequency. Microwaves with longer wavelengths can be used to communicate with satellites because they can pass through the Earth's atmosphere. They're not absorbed by it. Higher frequency microwaves are absorbed by the Earth's atmosphere, and so they don't reach us on Earth. I hope you found this review of microwaves useful. If you did, look out for my next instalment of the electromagnetic spectrum when it's time for infrared radiation. And that's next time. You know that
regular review gets a better grade for you.
Don't forget to
Like,
so that I can keep making the videos.
comment,
Especially to request other revision topics.
subscribe.
So you can get notifications of when my next video gets uploaded.